Comment form add-on is a free add-on for GD Rating System Pro, and let's start by activating it. As soon as it is active, you need to set it up. Go to Rating System Settings, and you will see Comments Form add-on panel here. It is very simple to set up. You need to select which rating method you want to use. By default, it's only stars rating, but if you have multi-rating add-on, you will see multi-stars rating methods too. Also, you need to select where to add the rating block inside the comments form, set if the rating is required, and if it will be included in replies also, or only in the first comment in the thread. And finally, select which post types to set it for. By default, it will be used for posts. Once you set all that, save. And if you open now a single post here and refresh, you will see the rating block available here. Right now you see that the rating block is not active, even if it should be. The reason for that is that I am the author of the post here, and I cannot vote for it. So you need to make some changes related to posts. In this case only, we will use rules editor for this. So let's say we'll make a rule for posts only related to stars rating. Enable this. We will allow post author to vote. We'll set it to half star resolution, and that's it for now. If we refresh this, rating now works, but you will notice one more thing, and that is I can also rate directly in the rating block inside the post here. This can cause few problems. So practically rating embedded here is the same as the rating embedded in the post. So practically through comment you are saving stars rating for the post. So it is best to avoid double rating location, so we can set this element here as disabled. So practically we'll choose a template with voting disabled. This is the simplest way to do it. So practically we will render rating here, but it will not accept votes. Let's check it out. No rating here, but we can do it from here. So let's leave a comment and set 4.5 rating. Here is our comment with the rating, and here you have overall rating for this post here. So we have our rating displayed inside the comment, and we have it already calculated for this post. Based on our settings, we can still use this, but it will happen that since only one post is only one rating is accepted for a single user, if you leave a comment again with another rating value, that will replace your previous rating. So it is best to make a change to the rule and allow only a single vote only or multiple votes. So each time you save a comment, you will be allowed to post a new rating that will be counted against the post, but if you select single vote only, something else will happen and your comment form for a user that already voted will no longer display rating. So practically your users will be able to leave only one comment with the rating field in. If we enable multiple votes, refresh the form, you can rate again. Let's leave 3.5 rating this time. 3.55, 4.5, and you can see that now we have 2 votes recorded for an average rating of 4. Also, if you leave a reply to a post, you will see the rating is no longer displayed here. That's because we have disabled comment form integration for replies. So practically only the main comment will allow ratings, and replies to that comment will not allow rating. You can change that here. If you switch to different rating method, so for instance multi-stars rating, and you refresh this, we still have our previous ratings, but now you need to set multi-ratings from this point on. Plugin will still display the latest rating that is attached to each comment, and we again need to change rules for multi-rating block. So we are using this, we'll use default series, again half star, only single, okay, let's say multiple votes, and we'll use voting disabled rating, we'll see why. Okay, now we have multi-rating, yes, enabled. And let's leave a rating here. Okay, we will in reply mode with previous comment. So we have our rating block here. Don't mind the layout and everything. This is all with default styling settings and very short comment. In most cases you will need to adjust styling and a few other things to make sure the comments rating look nice. For now, for this demo, that's okay. So we have our rating here, but post still displays standard stars rating. We can change that by changing which method or which rating method is embedded into the post. So for posts, we'll auto embed default series for multi-stars rating. Refresh now, and here is our multi-stars rating. For now, comments form integration is rather limited, and we'll expand it in the future. But for now, you can see how integration of ratings into comments work, and there are few things you can do using filters and actions to modify how the rating blocks are displayed, but for the most purpose, using rating rules and default settings will get you where you want to go. But it is not advisable to make changes to which rating method is used. If you start using stars rating, stick to it. If you want to use multi-stars, continue to use that all the time, because it can get confusing seeing different rating methods saved for different comments.